Welcome to another short video tutorial. So let's get started. Today we're gonna create chocolate brownies. So you will need half cup of melted butter, 2 large eggs, and 1 tablespoon of water. Now set aside and prepare for the dry mixture. Since we're using Maya chocolate brownie mix, we only need to unbox the powder mixture and then put it on a large mixing bowl. Then preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 177 degrees. Add the butter to your powder mixture. Then add your 1 tablespoon of water. And then the 2 raw eggs. Beat with your spatula until it's smooth and well blended. You can add nuts if you want. Spread the mixture to a 13 inches round pan. Bake it for 30 minutes. You can use toothpick or any wooden stick to check if it's still wet inside. And it's done! This is the end of the video. I hope you like it and don't forget to subscribe.